How to watch Hulu on Meta Quest 3. To watch Hulu on your Meta Quest 3, previously known as Oculus Quest, you can use the Hulu VR app available for the headset. Here's how to set it up. Step number 1, set up your Meta Quest 3. Ensure your Meta Quest 3 is set up and connected to Wi-Fi. Make sure your Meta Quest 3 is updated to the latest software version. Step number 2, download the Hulu VR app. Put on your Meta Quest 3 headset. Open the Meta Quest Store, formerly Oculus Store, on your headset. In the search bar, type Hulu to find the Hulu VR app. Select the Hulu app and click on the Install button. Step number 3, launch the Hulu VR app. Once the app is installed, open the Hulu VR app from your library or home menu. Log in to your Hulu account using your credentials. Step number 4, browse and start watching. After logging in, you can browse Hulu's content library in a virtual environment. Select the show or movie you want to watch and it will play in the VR environment. Step number 5, enjoy watching Hulu in virtual reality. The Hulu VR app will allow you to experience shows and movies on a virtual big screen. Use the Meta Quest 3 controller to interact with the app and adjust playback.